What's going on YouTube? It's RPU here and I'm back with another video. And today I was planning on making a video on the infrastructure bill, but Bob Ross, the co-creator of Sologenic, dropped a bombshell. He says, "My intention is not to shill, but this is simply interesting that the Nasdaq has published an article on Sologenic. Again, I'm not promoting to get anyone involved in any sort of investment. It's just an informative tweet. Do your own research, not financial advice." Guys, the Nasdaq is bullish on Solo. What is the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq is an American multinational financial services corporation that owns and operates 3 stock exchanges in the United States: the namesake Nasdaq Stock Exchange, the Philadelphia Stock Exchange, and the Boston Stock Exchange, and 7 European stock exchanges: Nasdaq Copenhagen, Nasdaq Helsinki, Nasdaq Iceland, Nasdaq Riga, Nasdaq Stockholm, Nasdaq Tallinn, and Nasdaq Vilnius. It is headquartered in New York City, and its president and chief executive officer is Adina Friedman. Guys, the stock market is bullish on Solo. You can't get more bullish than this. Wow, this is crazy. The same Nasdaq that made this article about XRP is bullish on Solo. So I'm going to jump into this article for you guys. We're going to go over it together. I haven't read it yet, so let's check it out together. The world of finance is changing. Going solo with only one broker or investing strategy isn't enough anymore. Sologenic, also known as Solo, is creating a new and diverse ecosystem that allows investors to invest in tokenized stocks, ETFs, and other assets. This network is built upon the XRP ledger, allowing investors to trade these assets using XRP or Solo tokens. XRP and Solo, both to the moon. The security token space is one to watch closely right now. Sologenic is a small but growing project keen on gaining market share in this world. Over the past month, Solo tokens have been 10 baggers for investors who stuck with the utility this token creates. Here are 3 reasons why Sologenic is a decentralized finance play worth taking a look at right now. Number 1. Sologenic is tokenizing traditional assets. Sologenic allows investors to trade tokenized stocks, ETFs, and other assets. In fact, more than 40,000 different securities are available for trading right now. Wow, I didn't see that much when I looked at the decentralized exchange. I just seen a bunch of cryptos, but I might have to look more into this. Sounds great, but as we've seen with other crypto networks such as Tezos, there's competition in this world. However, Sologenic has come onto my radar for this network's proof of solvency mechanism. This is something unique to the Sologenic platform right now, but something I think will grow in adoption over time. Essentially, this proof of solvency mechanism provides a way for anyone to audit the reserves of Sologenic and confirm the value of their underlying assets. By proving the solvency of the digital asset holdings on this blockchain, investors can rest assured their deposits are safe on the Sologenic network. This transparency provides a level of risk management functionality many blockchains don't, and Sologenic claims user anonymity hasn't been impacted by this asset validation mechanism. Wow. So, I mean, we get to trade all these securities and cryptos and we get to remain anonymous. I mean, how cool is that, man? I'm all for privacy. Number 2, Sologenic is going to launch a crypto credit card. Oh shit, what? Oh shit. Just like BlockFi, Sologenic is going to have his own credit card. That's crazy. cashback credit cards have provided tremendous growth to credit card providers for decades. Sologenic hopes to bring the same concept to the crypto world. Via Solo cards, crypto investors will be able to spend their crypto as they would their fiat money in a bank account. Like other traditional credit cards, Solo cards offer rewards of up to 2% cash back. Certainly seems intriguing for investors with a big chunk of their network tied up in crypto. Me personally, I wouldn't be spending my crypto on a credit card. I mean, I would spend stable coins, but I'd be hodling my crypto, you know? But this is pretty cool. I mean, just imagine if you could get rewards in Solo. I mean, that would be crazy. There have been other crypto credit cards launched in the past. Sologenic isn't first to this space. However, given Sologenic's security token focus and the transparent auditing process this blockchain provides, many investors believe this network's credit card program could be a real winner. You see that? A real winner. And all us XRP investors are getting an airdrop of Solo, man. winning. A real winner. In order for users to access a Solo card, a certain amount of Solo tokens are required to be staked or locked up. These staking rewards are likely to be linked to the rewards the card provides, though details are sparse at this time. However, for investors looking at the Solo token, more total value locked is always a good thing. Price stability for this token depends on user adoption increasing and supply remaining stable. Well, the supply is dropping, man. I'm going to show you that, which is good for us holders, you know. Price is going up. Number 3, Sologenic is planning a major airdrop. One of the biggest buzzwords in the crypto space in recent years has been airdrops. Sologenic is planning one. But what are airdrops exactly? Essentially, airdrops are promotional tools used by developers in the crypto space to promote a project. Free tokens are provided to crypto users or investors of a particular network. One recent high-profile example of an airdrop was that of Uniswap. This airdrop provided 12,000 in free tokens to loyal users. And I missed that airdrop, man. I was so mad I missed that airdrop. And then when it dropped on Coinbase, that token just like skyrocketed, man. It was crazy. And if Coinbase lists Solo, I expect it to do the same thing. Recent reports suggest Sologenic is planning a massive airdrop. This airdrop will provide 200 million free Solo tokens to those who hold XRP, that's me, and Solo, with the drop being split evenly among the two. Yeah, we read that on the airdrop, 100 million for Solo holders and 100 million for XRP holders. Winning. What's the catch? None, really. Investors simply need to buy and hold XRP or Solo to earn these free tokens. See the perks of being an XRP investor, man. You get all type of airdrops, free money, access to credit cards. It's amazing. Unsurprisingly, in recent weeks, the price of Solo has been surging, due at least in part to this announcement. As investors look for tokens with near-term upside, Solo is one worth watching in this regard. Man, last time I checked, Solo was like $2, man. It was crazy. Before that, it was only like $1.22, but it was up like 22% in one day. That's crazy. Crazy. Solo is pumping hard, man. Final thought. Sologenic is a new process and faces stiff competition from established players. This is certainly not the first crypto project looking at tokenization and securitization, and the use of a massive airdrop for marketing purposes, while great in the near term, suggests the demand for Solo tokens may have been less than appealing previously. Not for us XRP investors. We know that the total supply is only like 400 million, and we're trying to stack up as much as we can. These people have no idea. That's not to say this crypto isn't hot right now. For investors and traders seeking short-term momentum, there's a lot to like about Solo. Indeed, this is a token that's made my watch list for the reasons above, and mine too. Of course, investors ought to be overly cautious with position sizing and portfolio construction when it comes to the crypto space, aka go all in. Now I'm just playing, that's not financial advice. This is a young and fast growing world with likely a few winners and mostly losers in the long term. Wow. Well, I mean, do your own research. I mean, there's risk to everything, but if there's no risk, there's no reward. However, those investors looking for a more aggressive growth option in the crypto world may want to look at Solo right now. You see that? Right now. Not tomorrow. Not the next day. Right now. 10 stocks we like better than Sologenic. When our award-winning analyst team has a stock tip, it can pay to listen. After all, the newsletter they have run for over a decade, Motley Fool's Stock Advisor, has tripled the market. They just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now, and Sologenic wasn't one of them. That's right. They think these 10 stocks are even better buys. We're not talking about stocks right now. We're talking about Solo. But look, Nasdaq, aka the stock market, is bullish on Solo, you guys. How much more bullish can you get, man? I mean, yeah, the airdrop is one thing, but I might want to buy a bag of this. After hearing this, it's amazing. So the airdrop, the tokenized securities, the credit card, Solo holders are winning. Let's look at some, I got some more news from Solo. Bob Ross says the Solo team is currently working extremely hard around the clock on 2 major developments/projects. Mark down December 20th through the 23rd on your calendar. At Real Sologenic. What could it be? What could it be? Could it be another airdrop? Could it be a decentralized application? I don't know, man, but I'm excited, man. I'm getting excited just thinking about it, man. I can't wait for my airdrop. It's crazy. Let's keep it going. Meanwhile, CoinMarketCap says the Sologenic ecosystem is disrupting the asset trading industry by allowing users to tokenize and trade securities, crypto assets, and NFTs on its ultimate cost-efficient decentralized exchange. Keep up with Sologenic on CoinMarketCap. Wow. Even CoinMarketCap had to speak on Solo. It's so good. Let's keep it going. Sologenic says we're glad to announce BitTrue, the #1 XRP-centric exchange, will list Solo and also support the upcoming airdrop for the XRP and Solo community. More exchanges are being announced this week. So that's good. I mean, I could go buy some Solo on BitTrue. I don't have to go through the Zoom decentralized exchange anymore. I could just go through directly through BitTrue. And more exchanges are coming soon. And if you haven't, set up for an airdrop yet, you can move your XRP or Solo to BitTrue because they're saying that they support the airdrop. So that's another access point for you to qualify for the airdrop, which is good. Now, Sologenic also said that approximately 25,000 Solo has been burned in the past 2 to 3 weeks from transactions. That's crazy. It's time for the Solo community to get involved and decide on the amount of Solo that needs to be burned to mint an NFT on the upcoming Sologenic NFT marketplace. Retweet and vote today. 42% said 20 plus Solo to mint a NFT. Bob Ross said 20 plus is way too high to mint an NFT in my opinion. But if that's what the community wants, then sure. You need to factor in mass adoption, though. The idea is to make it as cost efficient as possible to resolve the current outrageous gas fees to mint an NFT on Ethereum. A lot of people in the community don't care. They just want the price to go up. They don't care how many it takes to mint. They just want the price to go up. But hey, Look, 25,000 Solo have been burned in the past 2 to 3 weeks. There's only 400 million tokens in the total supply. If the supply keeps getting burned like this, we may have hundreds of thousands of Solo tokens burned, forever lost to the total supply, man. It's crazy, man. That means this is a good coin to hold because the supply is rapidly shrinking. Rapidly shrinking, which means that the demand is going to outpace the supply and the price is going to go up. You see what I'm saying? It's crazy. 25,000 Solo burned in 2 to 3 weeks. Let's keep it going. Sologenic has also announced that they have a wallet, their own wallet, a Solo wallet. They say, find out why Sologenic's decentralized exchange has gained popularity with over 10 million page views and 1.2 million transactions on a monthly basis. Fire. Trade on the decentralized exchange today at sologenic.org. And Sologenic has their own wallet. It's crazy. You can trade and hold your tokens right from your phone. You can download it on the Google Play and App Store. Last but not least, Sologenic gives info on how to open a trust line. How to open a Sologenic trust line? Use this link to establish a trust line. Or simply download the Solo Decentralized Exchange app and have your XRP and or Solo there. The trust line is established by default, which you can get on iOS and Android. Which is good. I mean, more people will be exposed to Sologenic. I mean, we all have phones. The Sologenic Decentralized Exchange is just a click away. All you gotta do is go to the Play Store and download it. It's crazy. So when it comes to trust lines, you have multiple access points. You have BitTrue, you have the Solo Decentralized Exchange, you have the Zoom wallet, and you have the Sologenic wallet. Like, get up on it. I mean, what's your excuse, man? Sologenic is blowing up. So yeah, I think that after reading all of this, I may add to my bags on top of that airdrop. I'm serious, because the supply is getting smaller and smaller. Utility is growing exponentially, and it's only a matter of time before that price skyrockets, man. But yeah, the Nasdaq, the stock market is bullish on Solo, and you should be too. So that's the news on Sologenic today. If you like this video, I really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe. This is RPU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.